So this is Rajiv Popley, who is a retailer for Popley and Company. So Rajiv, why don't you tell us what did you study and what courses did you take?
So I've done my graduation in Bombay from Mumbai University, and I've done a diploma in diamonds particularly to know more about the industry that I'm coming from, and that helped me a lot. Apart from that, I've done designing for jewelry. Uh, but what we look at now for careers down the line with younger kids coming in, we would want them to be more in depth into the luxury industry on the whole, which is international retail and luxury. So that's really important for kids to learn now. So that help them give a better hand on the retail industry and the products that we deal in.
Okay. So what was your main motivation to pursue retail in the jewelry industry?
I'm a third generation jeweler, so I don't think I had much of a choice but to continue with the business. Motivation was that we've been into the industry ever since, so I've seen it since childhood. So it always was in my mind to be a jeweler and follow the legacy as it's been maintained for all these generations.
All right. So how do you use technology and how do you think technology will impact your line of business?
Technology is very important in our business. Even otherwise, we've used it in various fields, from the ERP systems to the e-commerce. All have been adapted in the system in the company, and now we've taken it further ahead with 3D printing. 3D printing is an important part of our jewelry manufacturing process today, and all this is part of the current technologies which are pretty common in other industries, and we brought it to the jewelry industry also.
All right. So what skills are essential to succeed in your line of business?
It's dependent on the inclination that one has basically. So technology, of course, is an important part. E-commerce is another important part which is building up. We have AI coming in, artificial intelligence being used in the e-commerce part. So all these are different areas where skills are important, and of course, a flair on luxury and design and fashion is very important for an industry that we come from. So that's really encouraging. If somebody has these flares, can one can take up different areas in the same company, so whether it's manufacturing as designing, or whether it's the retail part of visual merchandising, or even merchandising on the whole. So there are different areas that one can get into, depending on the flair that one has to have.
Okay. So what guidance do you have for those who are looking to pursue a career in retail or in jewelry?
So retail in jewelry is how I would see it. So uh, one can always look at something which is related to design to start with, to have a flair of the jewelry industry. So design is really important to have more updates on trends which are happening in the fashion weeks worldwide, to give a design knowledge to the product lines that are going to come up, because the Indian consumer today is quite aware of things happening worldwide. So if the international approach is taken to luxury and design, it will be really important for somebody who's entering the retail industry in jewelry. At the same time, a flair on a little bit of technology, which is important to merge both of them into the retail part of it.
Okay. So thank you, Rajiv. Thank you for your time.
Pleasure. Thanks.